How to reset or restart your Windows 11 to factory settings without deleting files. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can reset your Windows 11 to its factory settings without losing or deleting any of your files. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to reset everything on your Windows 11 PC without actually losing your files, then in that case what you can actually try to do is, first of all, just go ahead and then open up settings, and once you open up settings, just go to the option called recovery. Once you go to recovery, click on reset this PC over here. Once you click on reset this PC, you can just select the option called keep my files if you want to keep files, or if you want to remove everything, you can select remove everything. In this case, I just want to restart and reset all my settings of Windows 11 and reinstall Windows completely, but just keep my files. In this case, I'll just select keep my files option, and then it'll ask me how I wanted to re-download the Windows. So if I just want to reinstall it from my device, or whether I want to just select cloud download, depending upon whichever option is convenient for you. Follow the instructions, make sure you have enough battery, make sure your charger is plugged in, and then you should be able to go ahead and successfully reinstall Windows. And that's all it takes to reset Windows to factory settings without losing data. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.